So update for the week is, when somebody asks you if you want to go for a boat ride, you say yes. So here we are on the Missouri River. So what's going on with the airplane? So the Cessna 150 has the firewall removed and most of the flooring and bottom panels removed. We'll show you some video of that process. We're planning on to go to Tennessee to pick up some parts from the Sky program. And we're going to meet those people face to face finally. Super great bunch. I can't wait to see them. Addie is started with, what's the name of that company? Wow. Addie has started with a ground school new one, Gold Seal. She's pretty excited about this. This seems to be more of actual learning than just learning answers.
Hey, can we swim for a moment?
For a second.
Okay.
Lots going on. So, what else is going on? Seems like something else. I'm missing something. Maybe we'll catch it in the end.
Woo. There's a rivet right there.
No, I'm trying to get to it.
There was a good article in the. Did your dad show you the
Not yet.
picture of the 150 we saw up at Oshkosh?
Hang on, Eddie. Don't get blown crazy. Oh, we still got primer lines connected. So we need a wrench.
It'd be, see, that'd be.
We can leave those in there and just take the line loose on the back side.
Yep. That I believe is about a. I can't even see them.
Let me mark those.
You're gonna have to.
Ouch! Where's our marker? Stick an A and a B on there, Eddie. There's A.
Which side?
I don't care, but whatever you do on the inside, we'll mark that on the outside.
A is the outside.
No, that goes on the line. We can write on the firewall. So reach in here. Put an A and a B back in here. Do you remember where you put A? Left or right?
Outside.
That'd be so A and B. A, B. Okay, we need a wrench for those. Does that have a wrench? Look at that.
Those are.
See if you can get that loose from the inside. I may have to get something on the outside, but just try it first.
I think these will come off. Those are a. Can you get it on the flat? Okay, hang on a minute.
That is just final.
Okay, hang on. These will come off.
Alright.
Well, wait.
Oh, you don't want it? Let's see.
Okay, see, you can turn.
You want Addie to hold still and I'll turn?
I think the nuts on the back side.
Addie's just taking the line off. And we've labeled the lines A and B.
Okay.
Should be loose.
Okay, go to the next one.
Next one will be hard to get.
My day.
Oh, easy.
This one's above you. This glove box. Don't ever take the glove box out of the 150.
Okay.
Alright, that's loose. So, just feed some of these wires through here. We got something still connected up here? Oh, that ain't still connected.
Ow.
Okay, so this is where we're going to. Would it help if I push that through like that?
Yeah, that one. This is a lot tighter.
This one, if it leaks inside the cabin, it makes a big mess.
Yeah.
Pressure. Yeah, because it actually has oil that feeds through that line and the pressure. So if you get a leak, it just blows oil out.
Onto your feet.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I think I can get down here.
The old big truck's the same way. It's still an oil line that
The
goes
Peterbilt?
directly. Yeah, it goes directly to the gauge. I
It's,
had
I
the
don't
dash
know
apart
why
one
they-
time and screwed up and started it up, thinking I was going to be brilliant. Yeah, it pumped out about a half quart of oil in the floor. I'm like, what an idiot.
Uh-huh. How'd you
That
think?
ain't gonna come through there, Eddie. That.
oh, that's that.
Right, that's good.
We still feel like it's hanging in there on something. Oh, there we go.
Our
Now
wall's
we're
off.
just fishing stuff out.
Hey, I'll hang on to it.
That one ain't coming through.
Is there,
Oil temp. That's oil temp.
is that still connected up there?
This white one?
Okay, no, it just needs fished through.
What's
You
white?
okay? Oh, the lights.
We got a little light. Yeah, it'll go through there. There you go.
I'm trying to get it through the vinyl.
It's got a
Yeah,
weird hook thing on it.
Well, that's easier said than done, Ron.
yeah. Well, I know. I think Bob and I put. No.
Can we try
Yeah,
pushing
Bob and I
that one
put this
through?
together.
Try putting that through?
This is the tack. Do we have the dikes here somewhere, Eddie?
Mm,
Cut this wire to
I'll see where the dikes are. Oh, Dad has them.
Your
It's kind of hard to hold it.
I'm trying to get through the vinyl.
Still.
Yeah, we got probably have to
Wobble
cut-
piece if you want.
There it goes.
Something like that.
All right, now all we got left is tack cable.
Which that one's gonna be the hard one.
That'll be easy now. You guys got the panel?
I got the panel. We got the panel. Yeah, just unscrew it off the tack.
Okay. Fish that cord through. Firewall is off. Voila!
Okay.
I'm gonna lay it on the floor over here.
All these little cords and everything.
Let's see.